medulla, isn't it? First cervical vertebra. First, it begins from the medulla and caudally terminate in coccyx. Second thing, you know that you have an idea about the sensory and motor fibers. What is called bundle? Bundle means bundle of fibers. What does it mean? What do we call in physiology? Bundle. When bundle means fascicle. So bundle, fasciculus is bundle, right? Similarly, one is bundle. Fascicles means into a bundle called fasciculus or fasciculi, plural, may be grouped in each column. Column again, further column, you know, anterior, lateral column, anterior column, spinothalamic tract, lateral column, spinothalamic tract. These are known as, one is fasciculus, these are known as funiculus. So you know there's what is fascicle, what is funicle. This is the transverse section. This is a diagram of transverse section of the spinal cord. Now you look for the ascending and descending tract. What is this tract? Lateral. Why? Because of lateral position. This is what position? Anterior or ventral. This is anterior commissure. This part is, white part is called anterior commissure. Fibers, carries fibers. Anterior commissure. This is anterior column or ventral, anterior horn or ventral horn. This is lateral, this tract is lateral spinothalamic, and this tract is lateral corticospinal. Now you tell which one is motor, which one is sensory. এখানে বলো, which one is sensory? What is this, sensory or motor? Lateral spinothalamic, spinal cord to thalamus, sensory or motor? Sensory. What sensation it carries? Pain, temperature. Or crude touch, another pathway. What is? Anterior spinothalamic. And this is lateral spinothalamic. So as a whole, when both join, they termed as the ALS pathway, anterolateral pathway. Anterior, lateral, both combined. Anterolateral pathway. This is sensory, and above now you see lateral, as because of their position. Lateral, this is called lateral corticospinal tract. What is this lateral corticospinal tract? Which tract? Sensory or motor? Motor. Another motor tract, this is lateral corticospinal. Another one is anterior corticospinal. Anterior corticospinal, they do not cross at the medullary level, they cross at the spinal cord level, respective segment myotome. Say this C5-6 myotome, C6 myotome, so cervical 5-6. From cervical 5-6, they synapse, they cross to the opposite side, not before that, for anterior corticospinal tract. What percentage anterior corticospinal and what percentage lateral? Lateral is the maximum, 70-80%, 70 to 80%. Our anterior corticospinal tract only 10 to 20%, very less, because anterior corticospinal tracts, what sort of functions, what type of functions? Very crude function, anterior crude functions. Our lateral corticospinal tract, very precise functions. So these are the difference. So you should remember that, right? Any other pathway? Apart from this, there are other pathways. One is, this is anterior spinocerebellar, ventral spinocerebellar, or dorsal spinocerebellar. Dorsal and ventral. Another pathway like spinothalamic, there are spinocerebellar. What function spinocerebellar? These are also ascending, because spinal cord to cerebellum actually concerned what type of sensation? Unconscious proprioception. Is a standing, is a Romberg test, Romberg test. We have done na Romberg test, Romberg sign. with eyes closed, ask subject to bring both the knees together. If so is, with eyes closed, if so is, then it will be Romberg sign, Romberg positive. That means what? Dorsal column lesion. With eyes open, if subject sways side to side, that means with eyes open. That means nothing with dorsal column, but with cerebellum. Because you know that cerebellum, that is meant for maintenance of posture. Posture, muscle tone, posture, as well balance also. So that will be disturbed. That means that's why it's called a cerebellar, a spinocerebellar. That's why it's called unconscious. What are conscious? Baki sob, fine touch, crude touch, all conscious sensation, and all conscious that relate to where? Relate to the thalamus, spinothalamic, not cerebellum, spinothalamic. But in case of spinocerebellar, dorsal and ventral, both side, dorsal side and ventral side, spinocerebellar, these are example of unconscious proprioception. Proprioception, you know what are proprioception? Which are related to muscle spindle. What? Muscle spindle, stage reflex. What specific functions do they do? What specific functions? Muscle tone, muscle posture, muscle tone, jerk, all jerk, tone, posture. This is done by the unconscious. It looks of unconscious, no? Involuntary. You know that reflex is purely involuntary. So that path is called tract of Gall and Burak. Naam sunecho? Gall and Burak. B-U-R-D-S-C-H, but you should spell as Burak, not Burdak. B-U-R-D-S-C-H. Burak or G-O-L-L, Gall. Gall and Burak. Right? Pathway. Gall Burak means dorsal and ventral spinocerebellar tract are called. So these are the things that we should learn today. And now this is just you tell me what is this portion? What is this portion? Which gray? Which horn? Anterior or posterior? This is anterior horn. So anterior horn is, why this is important? Anterior horn. Remember class reflex. I told that this is the final common pathway for which motor neuron? Alpha motor neuron. So this is the pathway of alpha and gamma, both. Gamma supply muscle spindle, but alpha supply actual muscle, right? Bulk of the muscle. So alpha gamma motor neuron as final common pathway arising from where? From ventral horn, ventral or anterior? Horn cell, horn means gray matter. Gray matter are called horn, right? And white matter are called pathway, mane nerve pathway, neurons passes, right? So these things, so this is ventral horn and this is lateral corticospinal tract. So now you tell this one is lower motor neuron or upper motor neuron, alpha gamma, lower motor neuron, or upper motor neuron. Which one is upper motor neuron? Upper motor neuron, lateral corticospinal tract, upper motor neuron. Anterior corticospinal tract, upper motor neuron, lateral and anterior, right? Now you tell that what happens following transection of anywhere elsewhere, say for C5, at the level of C5, what could happen at the level of say transection at this level C5, what should be the possibility? अंदाज करो C5 6 है जानो तो कि C5 6 बोलो और C5 6 you know that C2 3 below the C5 say transection at or below C5 what should happen? Above intact because directly attached to brain but lower portion lower C5 from at to below what should happen? বলো এবারে একটা করে এই যে reflex activity that will be lost. That means what? Biceps, flexion, extension will be lost, because from C5, transaction at C5, so that lower level should be key. Upper level can be spared, upper portion should be spared, but the lower portion paralyzed. Deficit means absence. So lower portion what? Reflex activity will be absent. Second thing is that respiratory and blood pressure. You know that at what level respiratory? C2, 3, 4. That supply what? Intercostal muscles. Are C5, C4 actually supply phrenic nerve. Direct phrenic nerve means diaphragm. So that what will happen? Paralysis. So diaphragm paralysis, muscles of diaphragm, muscles of intercostals will be paralyzed. Lower will be paralyzed. So once paralyzed mean what? What will happen? This will hamper with respiration, breathing, respiratory loss, breathing loss. Anything else? Reflex, loss of reflex activity, right? Anything else? Ipsilateral loss of what? Ipsilateral loss of fine touch, 2-point discrimination, joint sensation, means all fine activities. Mane DCML pathway, dorsal column pathway will be lost. Ipsilateral loss of what? Ipsilateral, mane same side. Loss of what? Which sensation? Fine touch, fine sensation, and vibration, proprioception, joint. So all will be lost. All whatever DCML pathway, that will be lost. And opposite what will be lost? Other side of the body. Say if this side is affected, so other side will be crude touch temperature, because this is crossed at the spinal cord level. So opposite side, what should happen? Loss of crude touch and pain and temperature. Will be lost. Eki to, tinke to eki. ALS pathway, that means that is crossed. Do you know from where ALS pathway crosses? From anterior commissure. এই যে white commissure, এটাকে বলে anterior white commissure. These are the, so from dorsal root DRG, all pathway, মানে crude touch pain temperature fibers enter through DRG, dorsal root ganglion, है ना? Which root? Ventral or dorsal? Dorsal root. ওই যে Bell-Magendai law. What does it say? Bell-Magendai law. Dorsal root meant for what? All sensories. Dorsal root is meant for sensory, whereas ventral root, মানে lower, anterior, that is meant for what? Meant for motor root. ওই যে alpha motor neuron, gamma motor neuron from lower ventral root arises. So that's why, so the ALS pathway through dorsal root, they crosses a anterior white commissure and join this lateral spinothalamic tract. Join the lateral or anterior, lateral, anterolateral ALS pathway as a whole. ঠিক আছে? This is, এটাকে বলে white commissure, anterior or ventral white commissure. This is the route through which second order neuron passes. First order synapse at dorsal root ganglion, first order, or second order passes along this lateral or anterior, anterolateral pathway. These are the different position of the spinal cord following transection or lesions. Now first one is, now see, first one, the round black area, which portion? This is which portion? Bolo? Ventral horn. So what should have? These are called lower motor neuron. So lower motor neuron, what will be the features of lower motor neuron? I thought lower motor neuron, flaccid paralysis. What type of paralysis? Flaccid paralysis and hypotonia or atonia and areflexia. flaccid paralysis with loss of all reflexes, all type of reflexes. So that will be the effect of lesion number 1 or A. Now go with B. B is which portion? Now see, B is the which portion? Dorsal column. So what will be lost? What will be lost? Dorsal column. All vibration, position, joint sensation, stereognosis, that will be lost. Loss of all fine sensation. Discriminative sensation will be lost. Number 3. What is this? This also dorsal column. Dorsal column. Now especially see that is একটা হচ্ছে fasciculus cuneatus আর fasciculus একটা fasciculus cuneatus. Another one is fasciculus gracilis. So this is the portion fasciculus gracilis. This one is the gracilis. This one is cuneatus. So gracilis that supply the lower portion. এই দেখো, supply the dorsal column. This also dorsal column. B also dorsal column. C also dorsal column. But which portion? Dorsal column is a lower portion. দেখো, fibers হচ্ছে এটা ওই যে black portion is the lower portion. মানে fibers coming from leg. তাহলে কি হবে? Teres dorsalis. Do you know what is teres dorsalis? Which nerve? Tibial nerve. Nerve is tibial. So that teres and dorsalis মানে affected within dorsal column. Dorsal column affected. That's why it's called teres dorsalis. Right? And next, coming to the ALS. This portion now see. Can you remember the black portion, black circle? Bilaterally, which side? One involving lateral corticospinal tract. This is lateral corticospinal tract. This is which? Ventral horn. So ventral horn gives what type of neuron? Lower motor na upper motor? Lower motor. Or lateral corticospinal tract gives upper motor. So it's a combined upper motor and lower motor neuron lesions. Now combined upper motor, lower motor neurons, what should be the feature? Key feature hobe? What should be the feature? Lou Gehrig disease. And just I don't know whether you have heard or not, the great physicist Stephen Hawking, who was suffering from ekdom childhood with this disease, ALS. Means both all muscles, means lower motor neuron as well as upper motor neuron. So fully motor pathway is fully lost. All motor activities are lost. তাহলে কি করে করতো? With head. এই যে corticobulbar is intact. So একটা পেন লাগিয়ে এখানে ও লিখতো, and computer he used to work with this. ওর জন্য আলাদা করে device was made, very specific device was made for him, as because he cannot move his hand, cannot move hands, legs, whatever. Means purely motor loss. You think if lower motor and upper motor, only two pathways, for one is lower and one is lower, another one is upper. If both are lost, means all motor activities, complete deficit of motor activity, right? So no movement, nothing, paralyzed, ekdom fully paralyzed. Only intact with sensory intellect. Or joto, you know that, what is, ki naam bollam? Stephen Hawking. And you know his Big Bang theory. So he was the founder of Big Bang theory. Jano to naki? Big Bang theory. Not only that, all equation, all mathematical calculation, everything. So now see, without loss of sensory, without sensory loss, means without intellect, loss of intellect. Intellect is purely preserved, retained, isn't it? So that now you see. So this clinical condition is known as what? কি বললাম? ALS. What does it mean? ALS ওইখানে লিখেছি, amyotrophic lateral sclerosis. Amyotrophic lateral sclerosis, ALS, amyotrophic lateral sclerosis. Another person, মানে great person, volleyball player, নাম শুনেছো? লুই গেরিগ. Louis Gehrig was the মানে world famous volleyball player. So he used to suffer from this same disease. But after 60, or a Stephen Hawking from childhood, from birth, from beginning of life. এটাই তো তফাৎ. So this is ALS. And what is this? So the black area. So what is this? এটা কি বলতো? 1/2 of the spinal cord. So what is this? What symptoms? What syndromes? It's a syndrome, means not a single entity. It involves many pathways, many motor sensory activities involving more than one. তাই তো বলি syndrome. Syndrome means not any single entity. So this should be considered as a key. Many more deficit. Eta. What is this? This is called Brown Sequard syndrome or hemisection of spinal cord. Which is otherwise called as Brown Sequard syndrome. Brown Sequard syndrome, now you tell, if this side affects, now what will happen to sensory? বলো তো কি কি একটা? Same side, what will be lost? Same side, loss of fine touch, right? Fine touch. Or opposite side, what will be lost? Opposite side, crude touch, pain, temperature. Acha. Similarly, this is motor loss, sensory loss. What about motor loss? Motor loss কি হবে? Same side. Below the medulla, na? So that will be ipsilateral spastic paresis. That means what type? Ipsilateral spastic paresis. Upper motor or lower motor? What type of motor neuron loss? Upper motor neuron loss means spastic. Spastic হচ্ছে upper motor neuron আর flaccid হচ্ছে lower motor neuron. So upper motor neuron type of losses, motor losses, right? Motor deficit and loss of all reflexes. Below the level of lesion, there will be loss of all reflexes. Reflexes হবে না? Because 1/2 is lost, so that will be loss of all reflexes, right? This, acha. এটাকে বলে Brown Sequard syndrome. And what is this? This is now, say, only dorsal column is intact and rest of the portion, মানে lower level, anterior horn, involving the anterior white commissure, dorsal, ventral spinocerebellar and lateral spinothalamic, anterior spinothalamic, এখানের মধ্যে সব আছে except what is intact now, see, ওই যে ওইটা example of what? This is F, না? এটাকে কি বলে? A B C D E F. F is what? A B C D F. F হচ্ছে complete ventral spinal artery occlusion. মানে ventral মানে lower portion, anterior portion, complete loss of ventral artery occlusion. That means একদম except কি? Except what? Except the dorsal column. Now see, this is dorsal column, this side also dorsal column. And this is what horn? This is anterior horn, this is dorsal horn. This also dorsal horn is intact and dorsal column is intact. Dorsal horn means what? Dorsal horn is the route for entry of what? Route for entry of sensory stimulus, all stimulus from periphery. So this and next one is the G and H. This is important. H is, now see which portion has been involved? The central canal, spinal cord, the central rex lamina. How many rex lamina? How many layers in a spinal cord? 10 layers. Layer 1, 2, rex lamina 1, 2. A delta C fiber, A delta 1, 5 are C fibers, 2, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4 fiber, A beta fibers 4 and 5. Similarly 6, 7, 8, 9 and 10 is the central canal. So, how does it happen? This central canal syndrome or this is known as what? Central cavities. Due to what? Due to central cavitation. When does central cavitation can occur? Only possibility is tumor. Tumor within ventral horn. যদি ভেন্ট্রাল হর্নে টিউমার হয়, তাহলে কি হয়? টিউমার হলে কি করবে? টিউমার, দ্যাট growth of tumor simultaneously what? It suppresses the anterior white commissure. Then what sensation will be lost? Anterior white commissure দিয়ে কোন sensation যায়? Which sensation? Lateral corticospinal tract, anterolateral corticospinal tract. So that will be lost. মানে ALS pathway will be lost. তার মানে কি? ALS pathway will be lost মানে lower ALS, crude touch sensation, pain temperature, that will be lost, right? But what will be intact? Upper intact. Upper pathway means dorsal pathway intact. So fine touch should be retained, right? Fine pathway should retain this, and that's why the feature is known as, means this disease is called as syringomyelia. Syringomyelia as because of cavitation. Cavitation means central cavity. Cavity means central canal. So due to central cavitations, it results what? The syringomyelia, a type of disease, spinal lesion which will affect the anterior white commissure, that means ALS pathway, but nothing with the upper means dorsal pathway. So dorsal pathway means fine touch sensation all will be retained except ALS pathway effect, that will affect the ALS pathway only. তাহলে একটা রইলো না, one pathway is retained and other pathway is gone, that means disassociated anesthesia. Anesthesia, you know what is actually mean? Does it mean anesthesia? মানে absence of sensation. So absence of sensation, that's why it's called disassociated anesthesia. If one gone, other retained, then it will be disassociated, not associated, disassociated anesthesia or syringomyelia or central cavitation, these things. So these are the different types of spinal lesion. Next, coming to the hemisection in details, because in university, in terms of university exam, this is very important. What is Brown-Sequard syndrome and what you should write? This is the thing, or this is a very precise thing that you should write. First you define what is Brown-Sequard syndrome. কাকে বলে? What is Brown-Sequard syndrome? Hemisection, one lateral half. One lateral half of the body or spinal cord portion, or this is not surgically, this can be done, but this cannot happen actually. Physiologically this cannot happen, but experimentally this can be done, right? So only this type of complexity only happen in gunshot injury. Is a gun, bullet injury, bullet ekdom that can pierce the middle of this, isn't it? By chance can pierce the middle. So that can be possibility. One possibility is gunshot injury, Or others possibility at home, possibility is what? Na road accident, automobile road accident. That is another possibility, that this type of hemisection of spinal cord, this type of injury can happen. Spinal cord injury, SCI, spinal cord injury, that can happen, and this can be traumatic or non-traumatic. Traumatic means what? Trauma means accident and a gunshot injury, that is traumatic. Trauma or inflammation, like infection, inflammation, ওটা trauma. আর non-traumatic মানে non-traumatic, that means can be the tumor, can be the lateral sclerosis, ওই যে atherosclerosis, sclerotic disease, that can be the another the reason for non-traumatic Brown sequard non-traumatic Brown sequard syndrome. Definition: hemisection of the spinal cord affecting three main neural systems. One is dorsal column. What are the three systems? Dorsal column, what? Sensory deficit, that causes sensory deficit. Next one is the spinothalamic tract, that causes crude touch, pain, temperature. And next one is the corticospinal tract, that means motor deficit. So these are the three tracts, these three main neural systems can be affected. These are the systems that can be affected. Now you tell, just suppose this side, right side has got damaged, this portion has got damaged. Now what will happen? One by one tell what should happen. Same side and opposite side. First, same side, sensory. What should happen? Same side, sensory. What should happen? Dorsal column, তার মানে fine touch, vibration, joint, proprioception, that will be lost. ঠিক আছে? Same side. And opposite side, what will be lost? Sensory loss. Opposite side, pain, crude touch, pain, temperature, crude opposite side. মানে affected this side, but opposite side, crude touch, pain, temperature will be lost. But opposite side, that will be. Similarly, that is sensory. Motor, what will be lost to this portion? Ipsilateral spastic parosis. What type? Upper motor neuron. But which area? Now that is very important, that at the level, this can transection, now that can vary. At the level and above level transection 1 to 2, above this transection 1 to 2, above transection, or at the level of transection, that will be lower motor type of element, type of lower motor neuron type of motor deficit, means upper portion flaccid paralysis, and what? Flaccid paralysis and loss of reflexes, right? Flaccid paralysis and areflexia, loss of all reflexes. But below the level of lesion, remember, একটা হচ্ছে at or above the level of lesion, another below the level of lesion. That is very important. Below the level of lesion, because upper portion, that is in control of the higher cortex, but lower portion, there will be no control to the lower portion, should not have any control with this. So that lower portion is very important. Mane below the level of lesion, what will happen? Below the level of lesion, sensory to you told, so motor, what type? That you should remember. Below the level of lesion, that is upper motor neuron type lesion. Remember, upper motor neuron type lesion. Yes, that means what? Upper motor neuron type lesion means what? Means spastic paralysis, paralysis of movement, paralysis of muscle. That is spastic, means increased muscle tone, hypertonia, characterized by hypertonia and Babinski sign, presence of Babinski sign. Upper motor neuron, means what? Superficial reflexes are lost, are abnormal, that is called Babinski sign, or pyramidal sign positive, or Babinski sign positive. So Babinski sign, so that will be the below the level of lesion, motor deficit, that is called motor deficit, and hyperreflexia মানে exaggerated. Deep reflexes should be spared, deep reflexes should be there but not controlled. It should be hyperreflexia, upper motor neuron, Babinski sign মানে superficial reflexes lost but deep reflexes retain মানে কি deep reflex, superficial reflex loss, purely loss of superficial reflex with sparing of the deep reflexes, but deep reflexes means not normal, that should be exaggerated মানে hyperreflexia, more than normal hyperreflexia. So this is called Brown Sequard syndrome. Ipsilateral loss of dorsal column sensation, and you know what is dorsal column sensation. Ipsilateral upper motor neuron signs below the level of lesion, very important, this line you should remember, below the level of lesion upper motor neuron type, or above the or at the level of lesion lower motor neuron type, motor deficit লিখে দেবে একদম, আর কিছু তোমাকে ভাবতে হবে না, একদম পিওরলি কারেক্ট। নেক্সট ইজ ipsilateral lower motor neuron signs at the level of lesion, at the level, এই যে lower motor upper motor হয়ে গেল, at the level of the lesion there is loss of all modalities of sensation, at the level of lesion loss of all sensation including touch, pain and temperature, or contralateral loss of pain and temperature 1 to 2 segments below the level of lesion. এটা অ্যানাটমিতে দেখবে যে এই যে পাথওয়েটা যেটা আসে ফার্স্ট অর্ডার নিউরনটা, অ্যাকচুয়ালি ওটা এক থেকে দুটো সেগমেন্ট গিয়ে আবার ঘুরে গিয়ে রেসপেক্টিভ ডার্মাটোমে করে সাইন্যাপস করে, তার জন্যই অলওয়েজ উই টেল ইন অ্যানাটমি, ওরা পড়াবে ইন অ্যানাটমি, দ্যাট ইজ কল্ড ট্র্যাক্ট অফ লেজার, নাম শুনেছ ট্র্যাক্ট অফ লেজার, ওরা পড়াবে, অ্যানাটমি পিপল উইল টিচ ইউ দ্যাট হোয়াট ইজ ট্র্যাক্ট অফ লেজার. And why do we say always that contralateral loss of pain temperature 1 to 2 segments below the level of lesion, lesion এরও আবার 1 to 2 segments below, right? These are the ascending tracts, কি ascending sensory tracts, dorsal column, lateral spinothalamic, ventral spinothalamic, dorsal spinocerebellar, ventral spinocerebellar, tract of Gall and Borer. Above is conscious proprioception, conscious, below is unconscious, cerebellar, unconscious, above conscious. These are ascending sensory tracts, spinotectal, olivary, spinoreticular, spinovestibular, pontine and cortical. Next, descending motor tracts, one is lateral, another one is the rubrospinal. Lateral crossed, this is uncrossed. Next one is the extrapyramidal tract, anterior corticospinal, this is pyramidal tract but anterior corticospinal uncrossed, tectospinal, tectobulbar, reticulospinal, olivospinal, dorsal vestibular and ventral vestibular. So this, next, these are the, now you see this side is ascending tracts, these are example of ascending tracts, these are the example of descending tract, ascending, descending. That side represent the descending, this side represent the ascending. Now spinal transection, what is spinal shock? Whatever type of spinal transection subject may have following 3 stages. Number 1, stages of spinal shock. What is spinal shock? Naam sunecho? Spinal, have you heard the term spinal shock? Spinal shock. What is this? Temporary loss of what? Spinal shock can be defined as a temporary loss of all type of sensation. What sensation? Sensory, motor and all reflexes. That is called spinal shock. And spinal shock that can be in animal for few hours, say for toad, spinal shock or any lower animal, you can see hardly few hours, but in primates this can be for few days, and in human this can be for few days to few weeks, so you have seen the patient in hospital, so spinal shock, and gradually they recover, so the time should be taken to get recovery from spinal shock. And কি বলছো? হ্যাঁ, ব্রেন হেমারেজও হতে পারে, মানে স্পাইনাল শক ক্যান বি ট্রমাটিক, এগেন স্পাইনাল শকও হতে পারে, ট্রমা আর নন ট্রমাটিক, দিস প্যাথোলজিক্যাল কন্ডিশনস। নেক্সট, and second stage is, so initial within 0 to 1 day, মানে within 24 hours the stages is known as stages of spinal shock. Immediately after spinal shock, you know that human is highly encephalized. Why highly encephalized কেন বলছি? Human is highly encephalized. Why? Because our, you know that the cortical, our whatever মানে sensory, motor, all are mediated by the cortex at the higher level. For human it is the highest level of কি encephalization, মানে আমাদের ব্রেনের হচ্ছে, ব্রেনই হচ্ছে টপ ultimate, the brain, cortical, so that's why it's called highly encephalized. But lower animal primates are moderately, whereas মানে toads and others, reptile toads, they are key less encephalized, so they are controlled, cortical control is least cortical control. And last one, a second stage is stages of reflex activity. Within 1 to 3 days, বলে না 72 ঘন্টা না কাটলে বলতে পারি না, 72 hours tak doctors take time na, we just take another 72 hours, then we will say what will be the fate of the patient, right? So is 72 hours the chance of gaining reflex activity, stages of reflex activity, second stage. And third stage is stages of reflex failure if not treated properly. So these things. And spinal shock developed immediate and after injury, most probably due to cessation of tonic discharge from upper brain stem. And this loss of, এটা তো বললাম, transection, spinal shock was defined as a loss of sensation accompanied by motor pain. এই যে transection above S2 at various level, এটা আসে পরীক্ষায়, your university examination. One is T5, above T5, see, another one is above S1, sacral, আর thoracic, আর একটা হচ্ছে এই একটা sacral, thoracic and এই যে thoracic, আর একটা হচ্ছে এটা দেখো, what is this, এটা হচ্ছে, এটা কি, এটা syringomyelia, এই যে ক্যান্সারাস central cavitation, এই যে central cavity, that is syringomyelia, this is syringomyelia. Actually what does it do? It compresses the anterior white commissure. যদি ওটা বেড়ে যায় তাহলে কি হবে? কম্প্রেশন হবে ওভার হোয়াইট কমিশিওর, ওই যে অ্যান্টেরিয়র হোয়াইট কমিশিওর, তাহলে কি হবে? ওই যে ক্রসড পাথওয়ে, that will be hampered, crossed pathway will hamper. এই এগুলো হচ্ছে আপার মোটর, লোয়ার মোটর নিউরন, 1/2 of spinal cord, dorsal column damage, এগুলো সব